Your BradyPrinter S3100 is ready to go out of the box. But if you want to make some changes, this video walks you through the simple steps to customize your default settings. To connect to Wi-Fi for wireless printing, first, from the home screen, select the menu button at the top of the screen. In the new window that opens up under System, tap on Setup. Hit Network to select your internet configuration. Press Wi-Fi to see the list of networks in the range of the printer. Then choose the network you wish to use, and enter in the username and password for that network if it is needed. The successful network connection will show up on the right side of the screen. Then hit OK to go back to the setup screen. From here, you'll also be able to adjust your language choice, font units, and units of measure. Select Printing to adjust auto-cut settings, and you can tell the printer to cut at the end of an entire label job or after each label. You can also add or remove label boundaries here. In barcode defaults, you can select the symbology you need and customize it by adjusting print density, or how dark the print is, and adding readable text to the barcode. Next, select Text Defaults. Here, you can select your default font. You can choose between points, inches, and millimeters, as well as your justification preference. If you select Localization, you'll be given the option of changing your default language, and also choose between inches or millimeters. Clock Settings allows you to set the date and time on your printer, and to set up sleep mode for when the printer is inactive. To learn more about using your S3100 printer, visit Brady's website.